Hey guys, JdizzEats, and today I'm gonna teach you on how to make this chocolate crepes. Look at that. It's so good, better than a regular crepe. And we're gonna show you the steps on how to make this chocolate crepes. And let's get into the steps, guys. To make this chocolate crepes, we're gonna need 1 cup of flour, a cup of chocolate milk. This is soy. And we'll add more of them later if it's still thick. An egg. We're gonna need some eggs. A tablespoon of sugar, white sugar. And a pinch of salt. And mix it. Well, the best is whisk, but since I don't have a whisk, I'll be using a spoon to mix this. If this batter is too thick, we're gonna add some more milk, chocolate milk, or chocolate crepe. I'm gonna add more of it. So it's liquidy texture. And to be done mixing this, has to dissolve everything in there. The salt, sugar, flour, and the egg. I'm gonna make this liquidy instead of this thick texture. And this should be done and ready to cook this bad boy up. Get your pan, your frying pan, and put this heat to medium heat, like around 5. So it should be in here. Yep. And we're gonna wait till the pan is hot and we're ready to cook this crepes up. Alright, you're gonna put a little spoonful of margarine butter and then just spread these around. Then you'll put your 1/4 cup of batter in here. I made a mess. There we go. Look at that. Once you see those bubbles in here in this crepe, we're gonna flip this to the side. Oh, got that? There we go. Flip that. Once you see things cooking there, we're gonna grab a plate here and we're gonna put it in here. Bam. Alright, our chocolate crepes are done and got a lot of them, but I'm not just eating them. My sister and my mom will be eating these crepes. So we're gonna give this a taste and can't wait. Alright guys, done making those chocolate crepes. So, by the way, the milk I use is dark chocolate soy milk. You can use any chocolate milk, I put dark. I did not realize, I thought it was chocolate soy milk, but it's dark. So it's like less sweeter, but has a bit of sugar there, so it should be good. Look at this, how perfect these chocolate crepes. And I put syrup in here. We're gonna give this a taste, boys. Oh, look how perfect I made them. Practice makes perfect. I made this like a million times and I'm getting better at it. More sweeter, because I want to put sugar there, because if you don't, it tastes like bland, by the way. And I want that sweetness, like a sweet treat in here. And chocolate, putting chocolate on a crepe makes it better, by just you know. And plus syrup. Nothing fluffy. Look at this massive crepe I made up. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. So, recommend guys on making the chocolate crepes. just try to be creative on how to make your crepes. You can put any sauces in here, strawberry, but for me, I'm just gonna stick with typical syrup. And recommend on making this at home. It's good actually. And now we're gonna end off the video right here. If you do enjoy on how to make these chocolate crepes, and if this helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share this to anyone new. And guys, it's JdizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye!